Alright, and we are live for another 8 hours study. No, wait a second, this is wrong theme and wrong location. I just want to make a little video and show you a cheap and easy to make poor students recipe, and I'm sure you already saw me eating that on stream. It's my to-go meal when I don't have the energy to cook something or prepare something more sophisticated. So yeah, let's do this together. I show you the recipe, and you will see it's super easy and very, very tasty. Alright, let's go to the kitchen. Alright, so no, we are not going to the kitchen. I decided to film it outside. So here comes the first ingredient. That's just plain soy sauce and some tomatoes we have there, and a lettuce. And that's a cucumber. We only need like 1/3 of that. And these are kidney beans. And what comes next? Corn. There we go. Canned kidney beans and canned corn and leinöl. That is flaxseed oil. All right, what's next? Give me something. Ground cumin. Perfect. That's nice. Okay, next ingredient. Sunflower seeds. Very good. And ground pepper. Perfect. Yeah, no. Is it a good place there? No, maybe put it there. That's better. Very, very good. All right. Do we have something else? No, I think that's it. Wait, what's that? Oh, that's my my sous chef, and he's inspecting the ingredients. And is that okay? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. Then if you say these are good enough ingredients, then let's do this. All right. Okay. Wait, what's that? What's coming there? Oh! Cut! Yeah. Phew. That was close. All right. So I was too lazy to change the camera angle or like setup. So I went to the kitchen. I cut the cucumber, washed the lettuce, cut the lettuce, tossed the lettuce, and yeah, there you can see it. And we need a cutting board. We need a sharp knife, a wooden spoon, a bowl, and something to press out a lemon. But yeah, to the lemon later. That was a kind of fail. All right. We are cutting the cucumber. Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, that's amazing. Yes, that's a beautiful cucumber. And these cutting skills. You may ask Richie or Ricky, did you watch the Gordon Ramsay masterclass? Yeah, I did. I did watch the Gordon Ramsay masterclass. Oh, and you can see it. Yes, perfect cubes. Amazing. All right. We cut the cucumber. We cut all of it, even the last two pieces. Slice, and nice cubes. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. And now we are like shaving our hand a bit with the sharp knife, and there comes the bowl, and we put the cucumber into the bowl, and absolutely amazing. Nothing fell to the side. All of the cucumber landed in the bowl. I don't think that ever happened before, but for the video, there you go. Everything in the bowl. And what's next? We cut the tomatoes in halves because, yeah, it's nice to have bigger pieces and smaller pieces in the dish. So it's like really nice when you have a nice big half of a tomato next to the perfect little cucumber cubes. Oh, these colors. Absolutely amazing. All right. Another one. Yeah. There you go. And will we again put all pieces into the bowl without losing any. Oh yeah, they all went into the bowl. Perfect score. And there's the lettuce, washed, cut, and tossed. And we put that also into the bowl. Easy. Yeah, I'm sorry, I was too lazy to shoot in the kitchen. And here you can see the cans closed. And I again go to the kitchen, open them, drain the water, and they are open now. And no water. We can just put it on top of our salad. Oh, that looks amazing. These colors, absolutely beautiful. And there's the corn. Magic. Like gold. I'm getting hungry. Even though I already ate everything you can see there already while I record this voiceover. Alright, there you go. We have all main ingredients now in the bowl, and now it is up to us to decide the seasoning and soy sauce. Oh, deserves a kiss, definitely. We put we open the soy sauce, and then we put just a little over our beautiful poor students meal. Just a little bit more, 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 oh, more, oh yeah, okay, that's enough. All right, and what comes next? The flaxseed oil. Of course, you can use whatever oil you have and like. Olive oil probably goes well too. Oh, that's beautiful. Yes. Perfect. I used to be very oil phobic. I had terrible acne, and it really helped me to reduce oil. But I don't think it's very helpful anymore to be oil phobic. I do have healthy oils in my diet. Also these beautiful sunflower seeds. I just make sure that I don't drink oil or the too much bad oils and saturated oils. And here we have some ground cumin. Goes really well with this dish. And last but not least, ground pepper. And I just realized I should have closed my window while recording this voiceover, because you may or may not can hear the people outside. All right. This is derpy. I wasn't able to put the pepper properly on there, went everywhere. And there's my sous chef and inspecting. And he was a bit critical, so I gave him a little tap on the head and then mix everything together. Yes. Oh, yeah. I can already tell you it did taste really, really good. And I can't say it tastes better than it looked, because I think it also looks really good. And my sous chef approves and jumps very sovereign off the table. All right. Mixing it all very good. And what comes next? A thumb up, definitely. That's always that makes the taste even better. A little tap on your own shoulder. All right. Cut. And oh yeah, we have some blossoms from my balcony. In German, this flower is called Borretsch. Borretsch. I hope it has a more pretty name in English. I didn't look it up. And some basil, some fresh basil from the balcony. And yeah. Of course, you don't need that. This is supposed to be like a quick and easy meal, and I just for aesthetic and video purposes. And put these flowers, these blossoms on there. Beautiful. They also taste good. And that's it. Easy, fast, tasty. And here comes the presentation. Yeah. Like promised about the lemon, a little fail. I forgot to buy lemon and also mustard. Mustard also normally comes and goes into this dish too. So here you have an orange and the thing to normally use to press the lemon. And yeah, you normally like press a lemon and put it in the dish, and that's it. And that's a bowl and that's a spoon, and you use the spoon to put some food in a smaller bowl. Normally I use a bigger bowl, but for video purposes I picked a way too small but pretty bowl. So not practical, but for aesthetical reasons we have the pretty little bowl here, and normally I would just eat out of the big bowl. And there you go, some decoration, and looks really. What's that? No, you're not supposed to film that. No, that didn't happen. That's not my kitchen. All right. No, don't film. Cut. All right. Oh, okay. Wait, no. I said I don't eat unhealthy oils or anything. No. Cut. Okay, cut. This is not my food. This is not my kitchen. I'm not gonna binge eat a bag of salt. Okay, right. Here we go. That's better. Yeah. It was absolutely tasty. All right. Yeah, that was it. That was my little cooking video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm looking forward to studying with you again. And let me know what are your healthy and cheap study meals. And yeah, leave a comment and a like and whatever. And see you soon.